Hey, what's up, unboxing fans? This is your buddy, your pal, Lennon Hawthorne, and I am here with another unboxing. This is the other side of the letter. I'm not going to show you my address, but it shipped from Montana all the way to South Bend, Indiana. As always, thanks so much for watching my videos. I really, truly do appreciate it. Yeah, I like just talking about stuff that I purchased. So I am a big movie fan. I was doing reviews of every movie I saw at the theater while the theaters were still open. I'm hoping and praying that a week from tomorrow, my movie theater is going to be open. That's what it's supposed to be tomorrow, but that got pushed back. So hopefully it'll be the 30th. I will be going and watching tons and tons of movies at the theater. I'm going to wear my mask. I'm going to wear all that. Bring the antibacterial stuff, whatever. But what I've been doing is going online, sites like eBay, and finding gift cards and buying them cheaper. People put gift cards, like let's say, I don't know how much exactly this is. Let's say they were looking for $50 for this. I would bid on and I would get it for like $25 or $30. That way I save it on a place that I want to go to. Basically never paying full price for the movies. Can't really beat that. I know the concession prices are expensive, but there's ways of saving a little bit money here and there. I always go and get a popcorn. I get the refillable tub. I enjoy the hell out of it. I go during the matinee, the cheapest ticket price possible. That's how I do it. I want to say thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe, please share, and let me know what movie theater you like going to. What's one of your favorites, if not your favorite movie, in the comments below. Please support my channel. You can go Cash at me at Lennon Hawthorne. Go to riptapparel.com, RIPT apparel.com, or onceuponat.net. Use my username Lennon Hawthorne as your coupon code, and you'll save some money off of your shirt order. Have a great day.